He's working 60 hours a week running their store in a strip mall in Brownsville, Ohio. He'd been a manager for the phone company and then bought it. He's got a second family. Some people like
Smile, Michaela.
You watch me.
Go ahead, do it. Okay, Michaela, you do it. She's not doing it.
Me?
No, Michaela.
businesses are still reluctant to hire.
Look how big I am.
Any pictures in here?
Are there any pictures in here?
Take a picture, Andy.
I can't take a picture. I'm taking a video right now.
Sorry.
Take a picture of me.
Alright, hold on. I'll take a picture.